Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2012 Hyundai Sonata Limited 2.4 and we're doing the Serpentine belt replacement. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, this should be fairly easy. All you need is a 17 mil wrench. Put it on that tensioner. And you want to pull up on it. And we move it off like that. Get that off. Check it. The client said that she had the dealership check it, and they said she needed a Serpentine belt. Looks good to me, but we're doing it. It's a brand new one here, part number. Alright, so when we going back in, you want to make sure you know the diagram, the belt diagram. I'll put that up so you can see that. And it does have an AC compressor. So we're gonna go in. Alright, so the last pulley you want to put that belt on is the alternator. Alright, so I'm ready. So a little trick you can do is get it from the back and put the wrench on it, because once you get to a certain point here, you only can go so far. Or you could move this AC line around, get that 10 mil out. And we back on there. That's it, man. Till next time. Pull-Up King.